Okay, Joe, I got good news for you. I got your distributor in ship shape right now. I found a screw for the points. Uh, it's not the right one, but it works. I put, cam lube on the cam, adjusted the points perfectly. Everything is working right now. It's free. The lower plate is free. The what do you call it? Triple weights are free. There's no more bind in the lower bushing. Lower bushing is in good shape, by the way. So this is ready to bolt and go. I know we got the distributor coming tomorrow or today from Dave, but I'm going to bring this over to your house now, and you can go ahead and put it in your car, and you can even drive the car tomorrow. Okay, I mean it's perfect. I checked it out with the voltmeter. Everything is 100% correct, and you probably will never need to change it out. So I'll take the one you get from Dave, and I'll rebuild that, and then you just stick it in your trunk. Okay, so that's the grand plan. I'm very happy with this distributor. It came out really, really well. All right, bye.